Y'all, look at these lashes though. Blinks, big blinks. Okay, get into it. Ah! What's up YouTube, and welcome back to another video. So today I'm gonna be showing y'all how to apply eyelashes or false lashes or whatever you want to call it. And this is for the beginners. So this is very beginner friendly for the people that don't know how to do it. And y'all, I be having family members, like, they be like, can you put my eyelashes on? So if y'all watching this video, I'm about to show y'all how to do it yourself so y'all can stop asking me. Okay? But y'all, I did my hair today. What y'all think? Your girl is getting better. Yeah, your girl did her hair. And y'all, my face is breaking out. I don't know what's going on. I've been trying out different products. I think that's what it is. But yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing today. I'm gonna show y'all how to apply eyelashes. Yeah, I love my hair. Like, get into it though. Get into it. But y'all, that's what we're gonna be doing today. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So I kind of already did a little bit of makeup for today, and the only thing I got to do is do my lashes. So let's get started, y'all. Alright, first I'm gonna start with an eyelash. And I don't think there's like a left or right. I don't know. I think they just go on wherever they go on. I don't think there's like no left or right. So the first thing I'm going to do is cut off that extra stuff. You see that? Like at the end. I'm going to cut that off. Because you don't want it irritating your eyes. So go ahead and cut that little piece off the end. So after you cut off that little extra piece, you just want to like shape it to your eye to see if it fit. Make sure it's not too big, just in case you might have to cut off some excess. And this one fits perfect. So I'm gonna be using hair glue, y'all. I've been using it for forever. Like, this is the only thing I use. Oh y'all, one time I didn't have no glue right. So I used Ghost Bond glue. The Ghost Bond glue for the lace fronts. I had used that one time and it worked. Like, it really worked. I probably won't do it again, but it worked. I'm scared to do it again. I'm scared something might happen. Alright, but what I'm gonna do is apply a thin layer of glue on the eyelash. So make sure it's not too much. Okay, y'all, so I applied a thin layer of glue. Can y'all see it? But before I even apply it, I'm going to add some mascara to my eyes. Because it'll help. Like, it'll make the eyelashes a little longer so you can easily apply it to your eyes. So that's what I'm going to do. Put on some mascara. I remember it was a point where I only wore mascara. Like, I didn't even think about eyelashes. Like, it wasn't even thought of. That should be enough. It'd be more than enough. So next I'm gonna, ooh, where that thing at? Where it at? Oh, lost it that fast. Oh, here you go. So what you want to do is let it dry a little bit. Don't let it get too dry, and don't let it be too wet. Make sure it got like a tacky feel so it can easily stick without all the mess, so it won't be messy. So this is how I do it. I place it directly on my eyelid. Not my eyelid, but my eyelash. In the middle. Then I pull it over. And then I pull it over on this side. And that's how I do it. Wow, these some big lashes. Yeah, I got these from my little sister. I think one of her friends ordered them off Amazon, I think. Okay, close this eye and I place it like directly in the middle. And then I pull it over and over like that. And if you got like any glue, you can simply just wipe it off with your hands. Like, it's rubber, so it'll like roll right on off. Or you can use a Q-tip or whatever you got. I just use my hands and that's it. So we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. And I already cut the thing off. So gonna do the same thing. I kind of like these lashes though, they're cute. But yeah, I kind of like these lashes though, they're cute. They're cute or whatever. Whew, I'm out of breath. So we're gonna do the same thing on this side. And I just sit it in the middle. Sit it in the middle, and then I just pull it on both sides. And just apply a little pressure, like push it back. Oh my god! Ah! Y'all, I love these eyelashes. What the fuck? And Valentine's Day tomorrow, I'm wearing these. Get into it. Get into it. Period. Ah! Your girl is speechless. Like, yeah, I love these lashes. I gotta get me some. That pretty much wraps up this video. I hope I helped y'all a little bit. Hopefully I broke it down the way that I was supposed to, so y'all can really see how to do it. But y'all, look at these lashes. Oh my god. Oh my god. Y'all, I love these lashes. I need to order me some. I gotta order me some. Y'all, look at these lashes though. Get into it. It's a look. My hair look good. Like it's just a whole vibe. That's the end of this video. Thank y'all for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos, and I will see y'all in the next one. Peace.